Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I made a short of this video. Rather, it's about 3 minutes. I think you can make a 3-minute short. So in this video I'm gonna explain why I wanted to find out my battery health. So my iPhone came as unknown battery. If you saw the unboxing my iPhone video, this one. So I was disappointed because I was not able to see the battery health, because how will I then know when my battery is considered 80%? That's like under 80% or 80, that's when you're supposed to change battery, because that's when the phone gets problems, like shutting off and stuff. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I figured out the battery health on an unknown battery. There is actually a way you can figure it out manually. I don't know, so I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so right here I got my notes how to do it. So you have to find the current, I don't know what this even means, I need to look it up. Okay, so mAh means milliampere hour, I think. Okay, so you have to go to the settings to find the file. So here's my step-by-step guide, or the step-by-step guide. Go to settings, go to privacy and security. Make sure, verify the share iPhone unlike this is turned on. And then if it's not, you have to wait 1 to 2 days until a data file has been created. So you get like a data file every day, I think, a new one. So it should be at the top, and then with the latest date, pick that one down, tap share, save to files, paste it into Gemini like I did. So as you can see, I pasted it into Gemini, and it find out to my phone here what it is. You need to show it what phone it is. And as you can see, it find out it's 102% because it did the formula. It saw it had 1857, and the max capacity on iPhone SE 2020 is supposed to be 1821. So the battery had over the original max capacity. So you put the original max capacity here and the current one. Since this one was a bit above it, it means the battery they put in is bigger than what the original one used. So that's why it became 102%, because it's a bit above the original. So that's actually good, I think. Depends, the battery might be worse, I'm not sure. And then it also showed the cycles. So the cycles said 106, and the recommended is to get maximum of 500 before you change the battery. At 500 the battery usually get bad. So this phone right here has 505 cycles, and that means, and it had 86% battery health, so it actually is close to 80 at 500. It could, I don't know, I don't know how it works, but it was like at close to 500, or not 500, I mean close to 80%. So the reason I was happy I figured this out was because now I don't need to worry about the battery on the phone, because I wanted to see the battery health on it to know if it was getting bad or not. Now I know I don't need to worry, because I can see it manually using this Gemini, the file. You can ask Gemini yourself how to solve this, but I showed you here. It does work. I got the results of 102% battery health on an unknown battery. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video, and have a good one.